reserved, usually found on coast.
No, one homily.
Hi! Hold on! I know I'm supposed to be carefully. I want you to walk toward me real slow like. No stuff movement. What are you questioning about? Something urgent. Something not very nice.
Oh. This is your son, dear.
Oh, great!
Don't be so ridiculous. He's just not your run-of-the-mill duck, that's all.
That's all! I have a reputation.
I know, dear, and I wouldn't brag about it if I were you.
He's definitely a turkey.
He's not a turkey, he walks the water.
Crazy now!
See? It's insolent. Now, I want all of you to get through supper. Go meet the other members of the duckyard and be educated in the ways of the world. Stop staring at him!
Look at Kim.
Now then, children, let them make up fun. Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Very like it if he's strong. Still you won't hold on. All of you must get along. Here's our special song. Come along now, all of you. Follow me, or you may get trotted on. But remember, you must beware of the cat.
Look at him. Look at him. He's our now. Look at him. Never the eggshell shell. We were screaming out, but if we are he's a solid waterfowl.
Why are you so rude? What do you like? Do you think what's in there?
They can't like it.
Or are you all there?
You think you're fine. Because you scare them off. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Now that's what I'm talking about. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest catfish that I ever saw. Better still, he won't think it. They think he's a fly. Maybe they'll learn the essence, giving him the shot.
Now, all you guys are very great. She is one big thing. You will notice that he has a heavy spot around his head. And he loves up to that and Look at him. Just even maybe long.